On today's podcast, we'll be discussing winter safety tips to prevent slips, trips, and falls. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
As winter approaches, the risks of slips, trips, and falls in factories and warehouses increases significantly. The combination of snow, ice, and water tracked in from the outside and the presence of oils and fluids often found in these settings creates a potentially hazardous environment for workers. To maintain a safe workplace, it's crucial to implement effective strategies. Here, we provide 4 essential tips to help prevent these common accidents. Number 1, regular maintenance and cleaning. Ensure all walkways, especially those near entrances, are regularly cleaned and maintained. This includes promptly removing snow and ice and ensuring that waters or fluids are quickly mopped up. Non-slip mats can be effectively absorbing moisture from shoes at entrance points, and regular checks for spills, especially oils and liquids common in industrial settings, can prevent many slips and falls. Number 2, proper footwear and signage. Encourage or mandate footwear with adequate traction, especially designed for industrial environments. This can greatly reduce the risk of slips and falls. Moreover, visible signage, including wet or slippery surfaces, is essential. These signs can warn employees and staff of potential hazards and encourage a culture of safety and awareness in the workplace. Number 3, employee training and awareness. Invest in regular training sessions for employees. This should include the risks associated with winter weather conditions and the dangers of oil and fluid spills. Educating workers on safely navigating these hazards, including proper walking techniques on slippery surfaces, can greatly reduce accidents. Additionally, fostering a culture where employees feel responsible for reporting potential risks is crucial. And last but not least, number 4, implementing safety protocols and equipment. Develop and enforce safety protocols specific to winter conditions and the handling of oils and fluids. This might include using absorbent materials for spills, barriers around spill areas, and ensuring all pathways are well lit. Additionally, equipping sites prone to slip and fall accidents with handrails or other support structures can provide extra safety. By incorporating these tips, factories and warehouses can reduce the risk of slips, trips, and falls during winter. It's a collective effort that involves maintaining clean and safe environments, ensuring proper equipment and training, and fostering a culture of safety and awareness. Remember, a safer workplace is not only beneficial for employees, but also for the overall productivity and reputation of the business. Thank you for being part of yet another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.